Just 5 before, this in, A track on, first gear low, just nice and steady, let the car do the work.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, that's excellent. Shouldn't be using any accelerator at all, just on the brakes, over the brakes a little bit.
Ugh.
Right, so just a little bit of left hand in, yeah? Just go easy, go slow.
Feel like a dog having a piss.
Just watch this shit stick out on the righty. You all good, Peter?
Do a little jig. You really are a Kiwi.